Plus there's a bag of feet.
Oh, those that Tom took out.
Sorry. Yeah,
thank you. That's lovely, isn't it?
That's nice.
Thank you very much.
No, right, yes. Well, off you go then.
I'll get it in a minute. Put all the stuff in here
And they grow.
and they grow in there.
Yeah, that's the idea.
Very good.
You have to water it.
It's not magic, you mean? Some people, eh?
Magic bag.
Very pretty.
Not magic, Sally. What is it? I've been sitting on my seat for so long my bum has gone to sleep. I know, I heard it snoring.
Is that...
Good, isn't it?
Very good.
And there's this one, I think this is from Marguerite, isn't it? Can you undo that?
You like the presses, don't they? Cards.
Well, you like this, don't you?
Goblins like nobody's business over the show. Still.
Ooh, look at this pretty card. Margaret, no, she's not even here, is
Well,
she?
I don't know what they're
They're in
doing
the
with the dog.
kitchen. They're having coffee.
Oh, right. Are they coming?
Under sufferance.
Probably rum as well.
Well, as well.
No doubt.